Hello children, welcome to CA practical class. Today we will do scratch practicals in which we will draw 3 circles inside one another. So for that what we have to do, see, a sprite will draw a circle, after that it will draw a small circle. Then after that it will come away from the circle, then will point in a specific direction, then again will draw a bigger circle, then again it will come to original position and will draw a bigger circle. So students, first of all click on events category and choose a head type block. Then after that pen block, choose erase all. Then after that pen down. Then after that to draw a circle you can choose control, that means a repeat block, which will repeat 360 times to draw a circle. In motions choose move, it will be one step, and turn 15 degree, one step, okay, 1 degree. After that you have to pen up, so pen up. Then after that move 10 steps, then point in direction 0 degree, point in direction 0. You can see direction over here, it is will go to 0 degree. Okay, bring it to 90 first. Okay, here you have to write move. As we have to make small circle, we have to write move 0 point. You can use 3 5, okay, otherwise it will be a very small circle, or if you are writing large number then it will be a large circle, so you can use small. Now point in the direction 0 degree, then again move 10 steps and point in 90 degree. Then after that you can duplicate all this. One more circle we have to draw. Here the circle will be big in size, 0.9 I am taking. Pen up is here. Before drawing the circle there will be pen down also, so take a pen down block here before the loop. So the circles are drawn. Okay, one more we have to choose, so copy it from the pen down, duplicate. I will put here, and then here you have to write 1.5, okay, for big circle. So bring this sprite over here. Let's say the output on the full screen. It will draw a small circle first, then it will go away from the circle, then after that it will point in the 90 degree again, then will move, then again pen down and will draw a bigger circle. So students, you can see 3 circles, one inside the other. You can try out this practical. Thank you. Have a nice day.